that video, guys.
Thinking, why am I
Nice
reacting to
videos,
my
yeah.
camera video? No, I'm not mad. I just wanted to see how it is like to react to my video. My face might be somewhere here.
Okay,
My
anyways,
face will be
not to
here.
waste your
Let
time,
me just see if you are
let's
watching.
start it.
Okay,
I'm not
23
wasting
seconds
time.
in.
Be a faster.
Okay, guys. Now we have this timer counting down, guys. Okay. Cool. No, I'm not.
Look, already there's some mouse. That's not my mouse.
Okay,
Time
10,
start in
9,
a second.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, boys.
Wow, that's class.
Hello. So, if you guys know or not, I have a parrot.
Background
I
music.
bought it like last week. We're going to do so.
Wait a second, guys.
Yep.
What am I doing?
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So, if you guys know or not, I have a parrot. I bought it like last week.
Yeah, it's nice.
So, what we are going to do today, just going to keep this camera in front of the cage of the lovebirds and see what the parrot is going to do. Okay? But this video needs a lot of editing, so just let's get started. Yeah,
This is the time lapse.
actually, this one which after I kept it was time lapse. That's why the parrot and these things, photos are there. Parent didn't care.
Yeah, boy. Parrot is like you can see it's like talking in fast mode. This was like 5 or 10 minutes I did.
You can see the parrot is doing something like shouting.
I'm not talking much there.
Now I have to edit the whole video.
I didn't know
Actually guys, you're seeing here is OpenShot video editor. I will show you this tutorial also in other videos. But you know what? I feel this is the best editor for me. It's free and simple.
this one was,
I think I already made editing
I think this also was time lapse.
and I'm just going to.
I didn't know why that sound.
Guys, how is my profile? You have to comment. Look, it's like when I put like that, it's coming like cool. But when I see it in my like that, doesn't make any sense. But I think it looks nice. Comment down and share any profile pictures which you think is cool or nice. I think this video will like come out now or I don't know when. Just recording for the end screen. Okay, same like this. Like this above my head it will come here.
I have a notification.
And the video this not this we'll keep this and another video, they both will come. You guys want to know my new camera? No, the tripod which I bought and I did those trickies with that, so it's also there.
So guys, that was reacting to the reaction of I pranked my parrot. How was that, guys? On the end screen, I think it's already there on your screen. So okay, see you later. We're going to be reacting to this video next. Okay, peace out, bye bye.